The global automotive industry is undergoing a transformative shift, driven by the increasing urgency to address climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This paradigm shift has catapulted electric vehicles into the spotlight, propelling the EV market into a phase of rapid expansion and innovation. In recent years, this landscape has witnessed an influx of both established automotive giants and nimble startups, all clamoring to carve their niche in the electrified future. Among these contenders emerges Aptera, an electrifying anomaly that has garnered significant attention due to its distinctively innovative design and unwavering commitment to maximizing efficiency. Aptera's proposition is both compelling and audacious, offering a fresh perspective on what an electric vehicle can be. With its futuristic aesthetic, three-wheeled configuration, and the relentless pursuit of energy optimization, Aptera dares to challenge the conventions of traditional vehicle design. While Aptera's groundbreaking features have generated considerable intrigue, it's essential to scrutinize the potential obstacles that might lie ahead on its journey in the fiercely competitive EV market. Despite the optimism surrounding Aptera's promise, it is essential to recognize that the path to establishing a formidable presence in this rapidly evolving landscape is fraught with challenges and uncertainties. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the nuanced facets that might cast shadows over Aptera's ambitious trajectory. From the intricacies of consumer acceptance of its niche design to the formidable competition posed by established industry giants, Aptera's voyage is underscored by a complex interplay of factors that could either catalyze its ascent or hinder its progress. Through an in-depth analysis of limited-range trade-offs, the challenges of manufacturing innovation, the indispensability of charging infrastructure, the fluid nature of consumer preferences, and the ever-present financial considerations, we endeavor to paint a holistic picture of the landscape Aptera faces. While Aptera's unique design and unwavering focus on efficiency undoubtedly position it as a captivating contender in the burgeoning EV arena, it is imperative to acknowledge that the road ahead is replete with challenges that demand strategic foresight, tenacity, and adaptability. Aptera's journey to secure its footing in the dynamic and hyper-competitive EV market will necessitate a delicate balance between innovation and practicality, consumer aspirations and technological realities, and fiscal prudence and ambition. Only time will reveal whether Aptera can surmount these formidable barriers and forge a lasting legacy in the electrifying future of transportation. Hi. This is Echo Electric, where we talk about all things concerning EVs. Remember to like the video. If you're enjoying our content. Before we get into the video, I'd like to pass on a special message regarding one of our core team members here at Echo Electric. Lewin is a founding writer and editor here at Echo Electric. He is a sickler and has lost 2 siblings to this disease. Lewin has battled the dreaded sickle cell disease all his life, and his health keeps deteriorating as the days go by. Despite the severe, debilitating pain episodes, frequent hospitalization, and bed rest recommendations, Lewin still puts up with creating the unique content we put out here. Lewin is indeed a fighter, and the best we can do for him as a team is to help him stay healthy. Lewin's health can be completely restored with a bone marrow transplant and a bilateral hip replacement. So we call on all our audience and fans to donate and see that he gets these surgeries. We'll really wish that he stays healthy. We hope you'll want that too. Please check out his GoFundMe campaign in the description below. Number 1. Niche design and market acceptance. Aptera's entree into the electric vehicle landscape is marked by a bold departure from conventional automotive aesthetics. Its revolutionary design, characterized by a distinctive 3-wheeled configuration and a seamlessly sleek aerodynamic profile, encapsulates a vision that merges innovation and efficiency in pursuit of sustainable mobility. While this design ethos undeniably brings a breath of fresh air to the EV market, it simultaneously introduces a set of challenges tethered to market acceptance. At its core, Aptera's design is a testament to its commitment to maximizing energy efficiency. The streamlined shape and lightweight construction are geared toward minimizing drag, thus optimizing the utilization of stored energy and extending the vehicle's range. However, this very uniqueness could prove to be a double-edged sword when it comes to consumer perceptions. Traditional vehicles have ingrained specific aesthetics into the collective automotive consciousness, and deviation from this norm can evoke a spectrum of reactions. While there is undoubtedly a segment of consumers who enthusiastically embrace innovation, there is also a contingent of buyers who seek a sense of familiarity and adherence to established design principles in their vehicles. Aptera's departure from the visual language that has dominated the automotive realm for decades could potentially deter these individuals, casting a shadow over its market appeal. Furthermore, the EV market, while burgeoning, is still in its formative years in terms of mainstream adoption. This presents both opportunities and challenges for companies like Aptera. On one hand, the market's novelty offers a chance for disruptive designs to flourish and capture early adopters' attention. On the other hand, the mass market's comfort zone often centers around conventional aesthetics, raising the possibility that a segment of potential buyers may hesitate to embrace Aptera's futuristic form. In the grand tapestry of consumer choices, Aptera's design might not resonate with all. It requires a discerning audience willing to prioritize innovation and efficiency over the familiarity that established automotive designs provide. The road to broad acceptance for a design as radical as Aptera's is paved with the need for robust marketing efforts, consumer education, and a compelling narrative that highlights the tangible benefits of its unique configuration. In summation, while Aptera's futuristic design serves as a testament to its unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of efficiency, it inevitably introduces a challenge in terms of market acceptance. The dichotomy between catering to consumers' affinity for conventionality and attracting those intrigued by innovative design choices demands a delicate balancing act. Aptera's journey will hinge on its capacity to navigate this tightrope, fostering an understanding of its design rationale and forging connections with a consumer base that values its pioneering spirit. Number 2. Limited range and practicality. Aptera's allure in the electric vehicle market is deeply intertwined with its capacity to deliver impressive range, a feat accomplished through a combination of judicious lightweight construction and a meticulous approach to design efficiency. This emphasis on range holds substantial appeal, promising longer distances traveled on a single charge, an attribute that resonates particularly well with the environmentally conscious and those seeking greater convenience in their commutes. However, the pursuit of an extended range introduces a complex conundrum that centers on the trade-offs between range and various other essential aspects of vehicle performance. Aptera's reliance on a comparatively smaller battery to attain its exceptional range might inadvertently translate into potential compromises in terms of power and overall performance. Electric vehicles derive their propulsion from the energy stored in their batteries. Consequently, a smaller battery might limit the vehicle's capacity to generate significant power output, which is a key attribute in accelerating, climbing gradients, and overall driving dynamics. While efficiency and range are undeniably paramount, the equilibrium between these aspects and the exhilarating driving experience that many consumers seek in a vehicle is essential to secure broad market appeal. Moreover, the practicality of a vehicle extends beyond its efficiency and range. Aptera's futuristic design, though commendable for its aerodynamic benefits, also introduces constraints in terms of interior space and seating capacity. While the design undoubtedly plays a pivotal role in reducing drag and enhancing efficiency, it inadvertently limits the interior's capacity to accommodate larger groups or more significant amounts of cargo. This limitation potentially restricts Aptera's role as a family vehicle or an ideal solution for those seeking utility and versatility. Family vehicles and utility-oriented cars are commonly defined by their ability to comfortably accommodate passengers and cargo, meeting the demands of diverse lifestyles. Given the compact dimensions and focused design of Aptera's model, it might face challenges in fulfilling these practical requirements. This limitation could dissuade families, individuals with greater spatial needs, or those who frequently engage in activities requiring ample storage space from considering Aptera as a viable option. In the ever-evolving automotive landscape, consumers consider a comprehensive set of attributes when making their purchasing decisions. While Aptera excels in certain areas, its emphasis on extended range must be weighed against potential performance trade-offs, and the design's inherent limitations must be assessed against the practical requirements of various consumer segments. The balancing act between impressive efficiency, alluring range, and the practicality demanded by a broad spectrum of buyers remains a pivotal challenge that Aptera must address to cultivate enduring success. Number 3. Competitive landscape. Imagine the electric vehicle (EV) market as a big race with lots of players. Aptera has entered this race with its unique ideas, but it's like a small fish in a big pond. The race is getting busier because more and more companies are joining, both big and small. Aptera's challenge is to shine and be noticed among the giant companies like Tesla, Nissan, and Chevrolet, who are already well known and have many people who like their cars. These big companies have been making EVs for a while, and people know them and trust them. They've built strong connections with their customers. Aptera is like the new kid in school trying to make friends, while the popular kids have a big group of friends already. Aptera has to find a way to show everyone that their cars are special and different from the rest. They need to convince people that their ideas for making EVs are worth paying attention to. It's like standing out in a big crowd, not an easy thing to do. Conclusion. The competition is like a steep hill that Aptera has to climb. They have to find creative ways to grab people's attention and make them believe that choosing an Aptera car is a great idea. It's a big challenge, but if they can find their own special place in the EV race, they might just have a chance to succeed. And that brings us to the end of the first part of our video, where we've been unraveling the reasons why Aptera could encounter difficulties down the road. We've explored their unique design, the tough competition they're up against, and the complex challenges they might have to tackle. But guess what? This is just the beginning of the story. We've got another exciting part coming your way. In part 2, we'll be delving even deeper, peeling back more layers to understand why Aptera might face hurdles in the electric vehicle world. So, hold on to your seats because part 2 is just around the corner. We're excited to continue this journey with you and provide you with more insights and analysis. Stay tuned for the next installment of our video. It's coming soon. And that's all we have for you today. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this coming in the future. And if you feel touched to contribute to Lewin's treatment, don't forget to check out the GoFundMe page in the description below. Thank you, and thanks for watching.